Nobody wants to have an accident, but if you do, your best decision after a collision is the body shop here at Jim Keras, or I should say the Collision Center, because you guys handle everything. Al Funderburk's the manager here.
That's right. Full service body shop, all makes, all models, all insurance companies. Walk-ins always welcome. You do not need an appointment to get an estimate.
So not just Subaru, Nissan, and Chevy, everything.
Everything that's on the street, we repair all makes, all models.
See what I mean? Your best decision after a collision.